So this is our top 15 today. Some of the most famous ones: Pinduoduo. What else do we see here? Smartsheet, Mercadolibre. So this is the company we're gonna have look into today. Paycom, Lululemon, Crowdstrike, and all of them are trading at a quite good discount. That's why they're on the list. So let's first have a look what kind of companies made into our list, and then we will have more detailed look into MELI Mercadolibre. So we want to see every single company on the list is making all-time highs in sales. They have a good year over year. So most of them over 20%, all of them in double digits. Last six quarters, all year over year positive values, meaning they did not have negative year over year, and also their all-time positive quarter versus negative year over year quarters quite high. So then we take average of 1.5 years, 6 quarters of the revenues. So we get average percentage, not yearly, but we take 6 quarters, add them up, and divide them by 6. And all of the same applies to book value as well. Then we want to see good net income margin, and how we rank them is we take current price to sales, divide by historical average, and then we get the discount. So first company, Mercadolibre, we see why we do like it is first of all, we see if you look at the all-time graph, we see constant and steady revenue increase without it looks quite stable and not many negative quarters, very high numbers. So year over year still, if you look at the last quarter, 20%, and if you take if you average out over 1.5 years, which is 6 quarters, we see 27.6%. And what's even more promising is if you look before 2019 or after 2019, then we see increase in numbers. So this also we can see in the all-time compounded annual growth rate for MELI, and here you go. Here we see that since 2019, actually the all-time compounded annual growth rate has been increasing, or pretty much the same, which is incredible for a company this age, because the first year numbers are quite high, as most companies who go public, but from 2017 the compounded annual growth rate has been increasing. So book value, very sharp increase, which is reassuring, and obviously it's at all-time high. Book value increase, if you look at the year over year, over last 1.5 years, then the metric has been at 100% since 2023 second quarter. So meaning before this date, they had only positive quarters last 6 consecutive quarters. So actually here's a mistake. It should be on the graph, it should be even going higher. So we see this upward trend from 75% all-time book value year-over-year increase should be going, it is going from 2021. The trends has reversed and they have been increasing more and more book value per share year over year. So here are the numbers for book value. So last 1.5 years, the average book value increase year over year has been 36.5, which is obviously a lot, and we can see that it's a lot more than the early years. So what makes it MELI a good buy, even though the price is close to records, is the price to sales value. So the mean for MELI has been 8.74, and currently it is last quarter 2020, well, this quarter now, updated today, the live price. So as today the price is 1,739, giving it price to sales 4.63. If they take the mean 8.74, giving it a discount of 47%. And if you look at most companies, their historical price to sales average does not change that much, because investors are actually quite good at early stages, giving it kind of the like fair price to sales value. Even like growth companies like Nvidia, they were trading the same price to sales 20 years ago as of today. So let's give it a MELI price target from the discount. So current price 1,739 divided by the discount. So the fair value would be $3,281 for Mercadolibre.